Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to enable vibrate on incoming calls on iPhone. So first of all, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead to my browser. If you want to make an iPhone vibrate when receiving a call, go ahead to settings, sounds and haptics, turn system haptics off or on. When system haptics is off, you won't hear or feel vibrations for incoming calls and alerts. So I'm going to go back to my screen, go ahead to my settings. What I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead to the sounds and haptics. Basically, you're going to see, change with buttons, and you're going to see ringtone and alerts. Just scroll a little bit down right here. You're going to see the system haptics. Make sure that you toggle this one on, and that means that you're going to get, or you're going to feel the vibration while someone is calling you. Let's put on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.